What's up everybody, my name is Diana Nyamusi and right about now I want to take you through our compound. Na kama kawaida nimekuja na new video, a very interesting one, showing you where I come from. Anyways, there are so many projects that I already did and we want to visit them tuone zinaendelea aje. Before tuendelee, my look check, of course niko Ushago. Look at me, my look check. How do I look? I look amazing. Anyways, we want to go this way. So guys, come with me as I'm going to show you my first project, which is doing amazing. Come with me guys. I want to show you. Show you. I think you're gonna be happy if you see this thing. So it is amazing. Anyway guys, this is my first project. I'm a farmer. I did agriculture and I said after high school I'm gonna continue with farming. So as you can see, hizi ni mboga, sukuma wiki, or you can call them kales. They are doing well. Let me show you some. Do you see? It looks amazing. This is my week. This is my first project. What we've done here, we've not already dug this place. What we've done here on this sukuma wiki or kales is what we call mulching. We've just placed maize stalk down here, and that is to prevent so many things. Of course, I'm not going to go direct on what mulching does to this sukuma wiki of ours. For those people who know, there are those people who do mulching to their things, maybe their crops which they are planting. There are so many things you can do with mulching. Anyways, as you can see also here, this is another type of mboga. I don't know how it's called. For us in Kititi we call it enderema. This is the enderema. So I don't know how I can call it in English. I don't know how I can call it in Kiswahili, but I know it's in my language. So this is another project here. It tastes sweet. It tastes amazing. I want to take you around here. Hope the camera person, who is my brother, gonna show you around here so that you can see I'm not lying to you. I'm not making up stories. It is a real thing I've told you. As I told you earlier, we've done mulching here, so we don't have to come start removing weeds, I don't know what. Mulching is enough. If you do mulching, that is enough for everything. So my brother, you can take us around. This is my project, guys. This is my project. Oh my god. So for those who want to start farming, please, you can start. It is not a hard thing to do. It doesn't require big farm. It doesn't require large acres. You can just dig like a small place and you start planting any type of mboga you want to plant. This is mine, guys. This is my project. I don't know, bro, if you can show them. This is mulching here. Show them mulching. Okay, we've done mulching using maize stalks. We've done our mulching using maize stalks. Okay, that is enough for you guys. Also, I have a small project here. As you can see, this is banana, guys. This is banana. Oh my god. On your small shamba, you can also plant so many things. This is banana. Already there is one here that has already started coming up. You can see it. Can you show them? Yes, this one here. And that is enough. I want to take you now around, guys. Stay with me. So guys, I've not only planted sukuma wiki, I've also planted what? Maize. We've also planted maize, and I want to take you around, show you what God has done. Come around with me, guys, as I am showing you this project. Do you see? Do you see? We planted maize. This maize comes direct from here up to there. I don't know how I'm gonna show you, but you can see for yourself. I don't have to talk much, but you can see it for yourself. I don't know if guys also you can see in the middle of this shamba we've also planted what? There's also bananas. There are bananas there going upwards. Can they see? Okay, there are bananas going there upwards, and also there's bananas there on the other side. There were more bananas here, but we decided let us remove them and just secure this place only for planting maize. And you can see on this shamba what we've done. And we've not only planted maize, but also we've planted maize with beans. They are here. They are doing well. Before the beans grow up, we can remove these also. We can cut these leaves. Here in Kisii, we, of course, that is food. We eat them with ugali. So guys, I don't have many projects. Please allow me to take you through our compound so that you can see some few projects, some few things that we're already doing. This is another project that already we have here. I don't know if you can see clearly. These are what? So guys, but I do farming in whole. So here is poultry farming. Here we've got very many chicks. I don't know if my brother can come and show you. This is another project, a very good one. I know some of the people who are going to watch this video gonna start doing poultry farming. You don't need so many things. You only need one hen. So guys, I was coming here. I saw my dad giving this chick some food and some water. So my dad is telling me, I want him to speak so that you can hear. Dad, please, in a brief, in a summary, can you tell us what you are doing here? These are chicken inside here.
This is poultry farming.
Okay.
And in poultry farming, for the start, you just need one hen or two.
Come closer so that the voice can.
You also need a cock must be there.
A cock must be there, of course. Enough food.
You must provide the feeders.
Yes, the feeders.
Must be very clean.
Okay.
Then you must have the waterers.
Okay.
You must provide enough water. Without providing enough water, you will find that many of the chicks will be dying.
Okay.
They shall be dying. So you must always be there. And once you have provided enough water, you have provided enough food, you must also supervise and scrutinize.
Okay. I think Dad has already summarized everything. There's no need for me to continue, guys. I'm gonna take you to the next project. Anyway, guys, before I take you on to the next project, let my brother, who is the camera person, please. Oh, thank you, Dad. Thank you. Okay, come. Let my brother show you the project now. You can come closer. Yes, guys, these are the small chicks. They are about 15, and there are other ones here. They are just few. There are 5 here, as you can see them, and there are so many ones inside here. There are so many. I don't know how we can, but let's try. Yes. There are also other many down there. I can't enter inside, but there are so many down there. So guys, this is another project. I think this is the last one. We don't have so many. If we will start other projects, I'm gonna show you. We're gonna show you. So these are banana. These are bananas we planted here. They are not that much. I don't know if my brother can show you. Let us take them around without taking much. So this is my compound. I'm gonna take you around, show you what is already planted. This one is for my brother. My brother likes also doing farming. Farming is good. So guys, these are the bananas. Can I call them banana plantation? I don't know. But you can see them. Bro, can you show them? Yes, these ones here, these ones, and of course this place, we just left it idle like this for I don't know why they have not planted anything here, but they just decided to leave it idle. Before it became this idle, it was a small shamba that we used to plant mboga, sukuma wiki, and so many things. So guys, I think this is enough for today. I'm gonna see you until the next video. Bye.